Open the driver's side door. Now right where the driver's left foot would go, right over there, that's the primary hood release lever, so pull that. And in front of the vehicle, right on top of the emblem over there, right there, that's where the secondary hood release lever is. Let's see how it works. You put one finger in there and then push it right. So lift up the hood, put one finger in there, push it right, and the hood opens up. Now this one requires a prop rod, so we gotta get the prop rod in that slot over there. So get the prop rod out, put the rod in the slot over there, and then pull the rod back a little bit to secure it in place. Yep, just like that. Now it's good. Now once the hood is open right there, that's where the battery is. First off, we need to take off that cover, right? That's one clip on the side. Just press that, the cover pops up, and now you can just lift up the cover, slide it out. Simple as that. Now there's the negative terminal, positive terminal, and there's two nuts over there. The good thing is they're all 10 millimeters. So for that we can either use a wrench or we can use a socket ratchet combination. And first off, we are going to start with the negative terminal. So loosen that up. You don't have to take it off completely, just loosen it. Now lift up the negative terminal, get it off, tuck it away safely like that. Now let's get the positive one off. Same process, get it out of the way. Now let's take off the one nut over there, the second nut over there. Get that bracket out. Let's put the nuts back in its place so we don't lose them, right? Now let's get the battery out. This is something where you have to be careful of because the battery is heavy. You don't want to hurt yourself or damage the car. All the information about the battery is right there on it. This is a Group 35 battery. Says it right there on the top label and also on the side label. So when you're shopping for a new one, make sure you get a Group 35 battery, right? Now there's a negative terminal there and the positive terminal over there. There's clear markings on it. When you're putting the new battery back in, make sure the negative terminal is facing towards the back of the vehicle, right? The exact same way when we took it off. Just like that, the negative terminal goes to the back of the vehicle, right? Now, first off, before we put the terminals back on, let's just put that mounting bracket in, right? Get that in there, one nut. Now let's do it for the second nut over there. And then let's just tighten that up. And make sure it's like properly secured in place, because that's the only thing that's keeping the battery from moving around, right? Once you do tighten it, try moving the battery around, make sure it's not moving. Alright, that looks good. Now first let's put this positive terminal post back on and make sure it goes on all the way like that, right? You don't want to have an issue where you have bad connection because you didn't put it back in all the way, right? So make it all the way, tighten it up. Repeat the process for the negative one. Now when you connect the negative terminal to the post over there, you'll see some sparks, and that's totally normal. Put that terminal post connector all the way down, tighten that up. And now let's not forget to put that black cover back in its place. Tuck the wires in the place where I'm doing it over in the video. Slide that cover in over there. Once it's in place, there's two clips, they should both click, and that is pretty much it. Now you're good. Now to close the hood, push the hood up a little bit, take the rod out of the slot, put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. That's pretty much it.